everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to do a little review of these three types of laminating sheets. Now I have an Etsy business that I actually laminate like crazy, and the ones that I have been using for the last 2 months are these two. We have the Scotch brand, and this is the 3 mil and 100 pouches. This one you can get on Amazon, and I will have links for all these depending on how you guys want to get this, but the one that's on Amazon is $13.99 for 100 sheets. Otherwise, we do have the Amazon Basics laminating sheets. I do have a laminating printer. I have the Amazon brand. I actually have 2 laminating machines because I use them, and this is about the same price as the Scotch. It has been changing in price, but I've seen it go down to like $13.99 or $14.02. The Amazon brand, there's also 100 of them in here, and these are the 3 mil. So we're just gonna open these up, and then the new one that I do want to check is this. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it is the Nuova brand. Now, one thing is, when I look at stuff to purchase, I look at reviews, because I want something that's gonna be a good, decent product. Now, this is the Amazon brand. Can't really see anything different with it, but so I wanted to try this one out because this one is only $3 more, and you get $100 more sheets worth, and this one has about 11,000 reviews last time I checked on Amazon, so I wanted to check these. Now, if you're like, what do you do? Well, I make these things called 100 envelope challenges, where I basically get cardstock, I cut them, I fold them, I laminate them, and I put them in a box, and people save up to their money. I do have a video for that you guys can check out on how to make this yourself. Otherwise, I do sell these on Etsy, but I'm also making a ton of other things, but I am constantly laminating. So why I wanted to try this out is because I am a couponer, I am a bargain shopper, and I like to save my money. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share with you guys what one actually cuts, or what one laminates the best out of the 3. Now, just looking at these right now, to me, in the color that I'm staring at, they all have like that, they all look identical to each other. They all look identical. So what I'm going to do is take a couple sheets out and turn my laminator on, put the pieces of paper in there, and we're going to see what one laminates the best. Okay, so I have these all ready to go. Now, the one thing I did notice is the one that has the 200 count, the Nuova. It has a slight smell to it. It's not like a bad smell to it, but it does have a kind of a smell to it. It's not super strong, but I did notice it like right away when I did open it, but it's not like a bad smell. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the laminating machine and see what one laminates the best. So the first one I am going to laminate is the Scotch brand. So we got the 3 sheets, and we're just gonna have it just go through. I got the Amazon one. I've used this for a long time. I got 2 of them because I laminate so much that it cuts the time in half. But what I'm going to do is finish these 3 sheets, and then I will do a comparison, and then we'll do the next ones next. Okay, the next one we're going to be doing is the Nuova. Now, if you guys are new to laminating, make sure you always put the piece that has the folded part of the pouches in first. So we're going to continue laminating these. And the last one we are doing is the Amazon one. I just need to wait for this to turn green. But so far, now it's ready to go. But so far, I'm liking the new brand. Okay, so all these are laminated. So here is the Amazon one. You can kind of see it. And then this one is the Nuova. And then this is the Scotch Guard. So I am just kind of looking at all 3 of these. To me, they look all the same. They look all identical. They did the same thing. The only thing is this kind of got stuck in the laminated machine, but it's not that big of a deal. But one thing I do like about this brand, the Nuova, than the Scotch Guard, or Scotch, why do I say Scotch Guard? The Scotch. So basically, these are folded in half, right? They don't get they don't always get so close to the edge, but I feel like with these, they did really good. Like, they're a lot closer to the edge of the product, because when I cut these out, I actually have to sometimes run it through the laminating machine again, because I cut it so close that the bubbles that are for the fold part. But I actually do like it, how it's so much closer than the other ones. The Amazon ones have a little bit of a gap too, but from looking at these ones, like these are the first ones that this is the first time I've used this. They're kind of close. There is a couple different spots, but I feel like with this one, I won't have to put as much through the laminator to redo it again. But otherwise, they all did the same job. I mean, if you look at this, it's still, you know, crystal clear. And then this is the Nuova. Still crystal clear. So I feel like all three of them do the job. It just depends on how much you guys want to pay. But I'm actually happy with the Nuova brand, because I feel like they just get closer to the edge. I mean, there is still a little bit of a difference, but all three do the same thing. It doesn't matter what brand you pay for. So I'm going to go ahead and keep continuing using this one, because you get 200 sheets for about $16. Towards the other two, you get 100 sheets for 13 bucks. So I'm pretty happy with this one. I just wanted to give you guys my review and my opinion on this. But if you have another suggestion on saving money on laminate sheets, please let me know. I will have the link for all three of these in the description below, also with the laminator, so you guys can check it out. But this is probably the laminating pouches I'm going to start buying now, and not even look at these two, because they get twice as much for half the price. So just wanted to say thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye bye.